Today let me show you how to make KleverEats Jowar Upma. Easy and healthy great millet option.
Take a heavy bottom pan or a pressure cooker. If using a pressure cooker, use a small 2 to 3 liter cooker. Do not place any vessel inside.
Add 1 katori of premix. Now add 5 katoris of water. Mix it well so there are no lumps.
Keep it aside for 4 to 5 minutes. Soaking is not mandatory, but it gives better results. If you're in a hurry, you can cook it directly. Now place the pan on the stove. Add 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee if you like. This is optional. You can add chopped vegetables like carrot, beans, onion, peas, or a few groundnuts. This is completely optional. Cook on high flame while stirring for 3 to 4 minutes until the water starts boiling and the mixture thickens. If using a pressure cooker, reduce the flame to low. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles.
If using a pan, cover and cook on low for 18 to 20 minutes. Stir occasionally and add a little water if needed.
Once the upma is cooked and soft, it is ready. Serve hot with a lemon slice, coriander leaves, or pickle.
Simple, healthy, and filling. Explore more at www.klevereats.com or www.kleverfarms.com.